If you are not familiar with major scales, do not watch this video. Watch the link below on the major scale lesson first. This will not make sense or be worth your time if you are not familiar with playing and figuring out major scales. Minor scales are an alteration of a major scale. So if this is C major, and remember in C major, a major scale would just be C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or you can think of that same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So here's C. You can always find C if you look for the pairs of black keys. Here's 3 black keys, here's 2. Find the pair of black keys, go down 1, here's C. All the white keys there are your C major. To convert a major scale to a minor scale, you're going to make 3 alterations. You're going to lower the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th. And you're going to lower them by a half step. People sometimes call it flat or lower. So flat 3 or lowered 3rd. So 1, 2, 3 becomes, their 3rd gets lowered a half step. So even that sounds more minor. Minor. And you're also going to lower the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these 2 notes are going to go down to here. So from the 6 to the flat 6, and from the 7 to the flat 7. So 1, 2, flat 3. 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, octave. And to me, the notes that are the most important in minor are the flat 3 and the flat 6. Those seem to make it very minor-y sounding. The flat 7 is a different mode. We can worry about that later. Time. 1, 2, lower the 3rd to the flat 3. 4, 5, lower the 6, lower the 7. So it's going to go 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7. Let's look at a visual representation of this. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And I lowered those notes in red here. So 1, 2, this would be the 3rd, but that's the flat 3. 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. It's really important to understand major scales first, and you alter them into minor scales. Let's do this in the key of E. So here's your major scale: E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. You could do this with the whole, whole, half, whole, whole, half. So here's your 1, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. There's your major pattern. So if we do that over here, we've got 1, 2. This is where the 3rd would be. So we're going to make this a flat 3. So that becomes there. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 stays the same, 5 stays the same. This would have been the 6th on C sharp, but we're going to make that lowered by a half step. This would have been the 7. We're going to lower that by a half step. So flat 7. And then now we have our E minor scale. So 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. If you do not have the pitches that get altered committed to memory, practice that. Quiz yourself. What pitches get altered? The 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th. And then can you convert the following scales to minor? Can you find them first of all in major and then convert them to minor? If you can't easily do that, rewatch the video and practice.